Hello everybody, welcome back to Fucknuts Garage. We're just driving around out to the ice storm of 2025. You see some rubbish, how much there is out there. A few people without power. Quite a lot of people don't know it totally yet. Just check it out. Mr. Squirrel there. He's going nuts. Actually, we just took a little non-cook spray. He was stuck on the road there. Knots frozen down. We got a big old weeping willow there, lost a branch. A lot of damage. Some rubbish down here. At least it didn't take the windows out of the bus stop. Here we got some down. So we thought we'd take a drive around. Something to do. A little different content for y'all.
Kingston's.
Still the same old voice.
Kingston's version of Young Street.
Yeah, Kingston's version of Young Street here. That's some good timber. Get a little peat out here. Got some fuel in the old Ford. That tree branch right there, it's gotta be worth about 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Oh, out here. Gentleman out here trying to clear the roads, probably going to church or liquor store or something.
Can't get through.
Wonder if we should give him a hand.
Yeah, do it.
Alright, we'll be back to you. We gotta clear the street. Many people need to get out. Be right back.
Here's 327 helping clean up the trees.
Julian, the branch, Dogwood. What we're going to attempt to do here is put the old Honda down in one here, first gear, and get Peter the onions. We're going to
Keep going. Slowly.
around the corner.
Guys.
So we got her all cleaned up there now. Get Samaritans of the road there. We drug her up. We're good to go. Another tree branch just fell behind us and blocked us in. So our tree tree removal buddy there, Kyle, he was going to get a job. He so graciously donated him one. Thanks, asshole. Kingston Area Taxi Commission. Piece of crap.
Making sure. Holy, the plows bounce.
Oh,
Few tree branches here. Look like we got a downed wire or lower wire up here. You should rip her off the pole. Let me go see if I can swing on it. Here we got Paddington Bear in her rain suit. I guess
what
the
are you
wire is
doing, baby?
okay. Hi, Touch. Oi, oi, oi. There's Violet. The old Honda, she drug her out of the way. We're dragging it behind us, sweeping the rest of the streets. And taking Zell little Pete. He's gonna run her through the sawmill. Make about 50 bucks. We got the station there laying on the side. Another down branch there. Couple there. Braden just gave me his coffee, probably spitting it.
Oh yeah, good.
Well, what happened to your coffee, hon?
I gave it to Kyle. Man just went to get a coffee and he was out there with his pocket knife there, trimming branches off the tree, cutting a ratchet strap. He's out there so long he lost about 7 pounds. His pants fell down, so he had to use a portion of the ratchet strap there to hold his pants back up. Just look at that. Some of the deterioration happened, old dead stuff falling down. Back there looks like we got an old Accord.
You know they're fast.
You know when the cord's fast?
Yeah.
Is that what you just said, Mikey?
Yeah.
You don't know the people viewing this channel and you're lying to them? Telling them the cords are fast?
Daily.
Give Mikey a comment if you're thinking the cord's fast. According to him, pardon the pun, they are. What the hell does he know? Well, there's Buddy Guy's house. Well, don't see much more here. We'll see if we can find some more. I better put my seatbelt on. 'Cause if not, we'll be getting pulled over by the 5-0.
Po po.
Alright, we'll be back to you when we find some more devastation. Ice storm, Kingston. March 2025. More to come. So anyways, we just got pulled over by the police. Not for me not having my seatbelt on. He asked us what the hell we were doing. We told him we were the road cleanup crew. He says it's not Hazard County. You can't be dragging the tree down the road. So I just gave it to a homeless guy. He told me God bless. He was going to build a teepee out of it. Well, whatever the case may be. Some of you just might like to enjoy the scenery here. Went by Lake Ontario earlier. Ice is breaking up pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, hey, Touch. Look at that. If the sun come out right now, it should be absolutely blinding. Hey, babes? For some of you people, if you clean up your yards and get rid of the tree branches around here, you know, before, like from, you know, at least in the 2020s, it wouldn't look so devastating, but whatever. Come up to this street and see what's going on. Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in her hat and called her macaroni.
Copyright that.
Yeah, hey Mikey, remember yesterday we were talking about your girlfriend and Pat Rogers needing to hook onto her pants to haul them up for you?
Yeah.
your girlfriend has one more brain cell than a cow?
What?
So when you pull her tits, she don't shit on the floor. Y'all come back.
370 feet.
Hydro trucks are out trying to restore power flow through West Coast.
No, Braden had his head down, Daddy. I said heads, Braden ran away.
Go over to that place there too. And that one. Goes upstairs and down.
Oh, I guess we're not gonna go any further.
No, I'm going to reach the end of the road. You know the road to nowhere leads to that park? Ozzy lied. He said it led to me. I'm gonna have to Google me or email him false information. Of course, unless you're Andy that we work with there at Paradiso, we can't walk under most of these trees. He can. No, they're pretty much touching the ground. That bus is from Yellowstone. It's going to the train station. Some rubbish there. Falling down people's yards. Some more there. Game because we're driving around in Honda Pilot every time we see one. We say oi oi oi. There's some wood. That guy's gonna cut that all up. He's gonna have room for next weekend's yard sale. $5 a bundle. Call it nice dry cut split
Timber.
Firewood there.
Oh, that's timber. That's good stuff.
Well, I know it's timber. Slightly used, you know, may need to be seasoned a little bit. By that I don't mean, steak mix and stuff like that. I just mean that it may require a couple years of drying. One lonely branch. Of course, we could show you the height of the laziness of the city workers because they're driving around the snowplow, and when there's branches on the road, well, they just stick the wing out, drop the blade down, and drag the road and shove it into the curb or the gutter, whatever you want.
Or people's yard.
Yeah. Oh no, it's okay. Don't worry, they're winging her back. As we're driving along here, found the road the snowplow ain't been down yet, but they'll be here. Check that out. God, the guy's on the phone with his insurance company already. Maybe we should go get my sawzall and make short work of that stuff.
How's the Sunday drive turn into chasing trees? It sure does make a wife and a mom proud, though.
What's that?
The fact that you can just get out and
Well, you know,
move what needs to be moved.
some people got to go to church, and others got to go get their Sunday morning holy water. By that I mean, you know, a 26 or Black Velvet or Canadian Club or whatever,
We don't judge.
something like that. Hey,
Or some people
Each
just
their
like
own.
to get the word.
isn't empty as a Sunday morning church like Alan Jackson says. Oh, another branch down. You think we could get cash for these trees? Like, there's a lot of broken limbs today. Come on, Scott. Relax, boys. You can stay on your coffee break. We done the rest of the work for you. Oh, it's okay. Oh, look. He's playing with his pole. He figures if he just trips that lever there, the hydro will be back on. There's a branch over here for you. We'll get it. No problem. Life goes in limbs.
Rachel's losing one right now.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this concludes the video so far. Take care. Have a great day. And we'll see you again.